The 2025 Honda Pilot SUV has solidified its reputation as a leader in automotive safety by earning the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's highest accolade, the 2024 Top Safety Pick Plus rating. This prestigious award reflects the Pilot's exceptional performance in crash worthiness evaluations, pedestrian front crash prevention, and headlight performance. The inclusion of enhanced rear seat belts also improved second-row passenger protection, further elevating its safety standards. The 2025 Honda Pilot is a testament to Honda's safety for everyone philosophy, incorporating an array of advanced safety and driver-assistive technologies. Every Pilot model comes equipped with the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes collision mitigation braking system with pedestrian detection, forward collision warning, road departure mitigation incorporating lane departure warning, lane keeping assist system, adaptive cruise control. These features are designed to enhance the safety of both occupants and pedestrians, making the Pilot a reliable choice for families and daily commuters alike. The Honda Sensing Suite is now standard across all new Honda models, showcasing the brand's commitment to widespread safety innovation. The Pilot benefits from Honda's proprietary advanced compatibility engineering body structure, which provides superior protection in various frontal collisions. Redesigned for the 2023 model year, the ACE structure is integrated into the front and side frames, improving crash compatibility with smaller vehicles and enhancing occupant protection in oblique frontal collisions. Honda's award-winning front passenger airbag, featuring a 3-chamber design, significantly reduces the risk of injury during angled frontal impacts. For the 2025 model, the outboard second-row seats are equipped with updated load-limiting retractors to mitigate potential injuries, reflecting Honda's continuous improvement in safety features. In addition to the IIHS TSP Plus rating, all fully evaluated Honda models have received a 5-star overall vehicle score in the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's 2024 and 2025 model year NCAP testing. This recognition underscores Honda's unwavering commitment to safety excellence. Honda's dedication to safety extends beyond vehicle design. The company aims to achieve zero traffic collision fatalities involving Honda motorcycles and automobiles by 2050. This ambitious goal is supported by Honda's advanced crash test facilities in Ohio and Japan, and its pioneering efforts in crashworthiness, collision compatibility, and pedestrian safety. The 2025 Honda Pilot stands out not only for its robust safety features,